Welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. Today we'll be making a recipe from a cookbook that I have mentioned in support group as one of the resources that our weight loss surgery patients can use for inspiration for healthy recipes. So this is the Fresh Start Bariatric Cookbook, and this is authored by registered dietitian Sarah Kent. I chose a sweet cinnamon vanilla ricotta dessert as the recipe for today. So let me tell you about the ingredients. The ingredients are 1 cup of low-fat ricotta cheese, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a teaspoon of powdered stevia. So the first step is we pour the ricotta cheese in a big bowl, and then we're gonna put all the ingredients on top of the ricotta cheese. And we're gonna mix this thoroughly for a whole minute because what we want is to soften that ricotta cheese as much as possible. All right, so after you mix it, you can seal this up with some saran wrap. I'm gonna transfer it to my bowl with an airtight lid. Refrigerate it overnight for best taste. You can eat it immediately after preparing, but the cookbook does recommend to refrigerate it overnight for best taste. After it's been refrigerating, then you can pull it out. I'm gonna give it a taste. Another variation is by, you can add cocoa powder to give it a chocolate flavor, but of course unsweetened cocoa powder. Let's see. I'll tell you what I think about it. So, not bad, but for my taste, I would do less of the nutmeg. I think the nutmeg is a little bit too strong for my taste. I probably would do maybe about a 1/4 teaspoon, just a touch. And I would actually add a little bit more of that stevia to enhance that sweetness. But I like the texture, I like the cinnamon, and I think I would really like the chocolate on this. I hope this gives you another idea of something that you can have during your pureed phase or soft protein phase. Enjoy.